This is dedicated to my fans. Music in my head, trying to find a way to solve my problems. All I wanna do is scream and holler, but I really can't get this out my system. I try to sleep, but here comes a bad dream about you and me. You talking about this other nigga, but he ain't like me. I guess there was a couple lies under the cover. You should've said it was over, but I guess life ain't that real. You told me that you cared. Losing you was my biggest fear. You took my heart, but you did not take a tear. You told me everything we've been through was real. I guess it was fake. That was a mistake. That I trusted you, but I won't lie, I fell for you. You did something to me that I wouldn't do to you. You lied to me.
How can you do it? How can you do it? After all we've been through, you lied to me. How can you do it? How can you do it? After all we've been through, you lied to me.
All your friends saying what you see in me. Before we got together, I didn't believe in dreams. You gave me all the love, but now I'm feeling pain. I'm crying so many tears, it's like rain. I wish I could change to a different person and tell you something different. I didn't mean to hurt you,
but I'm gone, I'm gone. You gon' miss me, you gon' miss me. I'm gone, I'm gone. You gon' miss me, you gon' miss me.